Hi, I'm Dave Hirschman from AOPA Media, and I'm here to give you an early look at the Garmin Era 760. It's a handheld portable GPS. It works very much like a smartphone or a tablet. It can interface with all sorts of other Garmin equipment, especially the ADS-B transponders or the GDL series of ADS-B receivers. If it connects with those via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Connext, it can integrate with them seamlessly. And also by itself, it's a very useful and capable standalone GPS. I flew with it on a Super Cub trip and through the mountains. You know, the terrain features on it were really useful. I've flown with it on an IFR trip, and the arrivals, departures, and approaches are all on the unit. The screen size is 7 inches. And that's about exactly the same screen size as a traditional approach plate. So you can show the whole approach plate, you can zoom in on certain features, and the screen updates very quickly. It's less reflective than an iOS device like an iPhone or an iPad, and it's much more rugged than an iPhone or an iPad as well. It'll be very familiar with people who have used other Garmin products before. The home screen looks just like the home screen on any of the panel mount Garmins, or for that matter, the Garmin Pilot app. And then from there, the navigation is quite similar. And there's only one button on the 760, and that's the power button. Once it's on, it's got a touch screen, and it behaves very much like a smartphone. The Era 760 has a retail price of about $1,500. The battery life is about 4.5 hours. And I've flown with it for the last couple of days, and I found it to be tremendously useful for both IFR and VFR flying.